Let's talk about Branch Basics. I've been testing out this brand now for over a year, maybe 2 years now, but it's amazing. Probably like a year and a half maybe that I've been using them, but I absolutely love them. They are my go-to cleaning products ever since I wanted to switch over to cleaner products, safer products, and getting into cleaning products. These have just been a game changer for me. So Branch Basics really kind of speaks to me when I look at their story. Their whole mission is to help people create healthier homes. The founders of Branch Basics, they share their stories and how they had health issues and how they used food as medicine and also removing harmful products from their diets and also their environment in order to heal. And their stories are really inspiring, so I definitely recommend checking out their kind of about page or their story page on their website, because I feel like that's just really inspiring, and I feel like I can kind of relate to that too. I had pretty severe cystic acne. That was really the beginning of my health journey and wanting to really switch a lot of the products in my life. And cleaning products is a pretty big thing because a lot of cleaning products do have a lot of like harsh ingredients in them. So Marilee and her niece Allison, and also Allison's best friend Kelly, they all joined forces to share what they had learned that really transformed their lives, and then also make it accessible to everyone. So that is really what made them and drove them to start Branch Basics. They decided to start off with cleaning products.
The mission of Branch Basics is to empower others to create an environment in which their families can thrive.
Branch Basics makes it so simple to replace all of your cleaning products with something safer in one fell swoop.
Branch Basics is a company built from the heart. We want to create an army of people who have created healthy homes and are just healthy and happy and inspired.
So how exactly do the products work? Well, it all basically comes to this right here, which is the concentrate. It replaces dozens of toxic cleansers with one concentrate that can do it all. With this one bottle of concentrate, this creates 3 all-purpose cleaners. The all-purpose cleaner helps with everyday cleaning, including countertops, dishes, and stains. 3 bathroom cleaners. The bathroom bottle helps with tackling tiles, toilets, grout, sinks, and also showers. 3 streak-free cleaners. The streak-free cleaner is really great for cleaning mirrors, windows, and also glass, and it helps to leave them looking really fresh and sparkling. 3 foaming washes. The foaming wash cleanser is great for hand washing, dishes, pets, and bubble bath, and I actually really haven't used it for anything but hand washing, but I think it's awesome that it's so multi-use. And also 64 laundry loads. The laundry detergent works for both standard and also high efficiency washing machines. So that's pretty awesome. This will last you a long time and you just get a lot out of it, and it's so simple and easy to use. Their products are human safe, they're plant-based, they're fragrance free, there aren't any harmful preservatives, they're biodegradable, they're cruelty free, and also non-GMO. So what is inside these? You can take a look at their website, but it's all plant and mineral based ingredients. The ingredients are super simple and very minimal. They are Made Safe certified, and that certification is the most comprehensive safety standard available. It certifies that the products are made without 5,000 plus toxic chemicals known to harm human and environmental health. So they have that certification. So how exactly do you use the products? So again, the concentrate is the base of everything. All you do is you pick a bottle. So say you wanted to use their all-purpose spray. So you just fill it with water to the water line on the label, and then you add the concentrate, fill it with the concentrate to the soap line on the label, and then you just top it off with water. And then you start cleaning, and there you go. And I feel like a lot of the concerns with like potentially like cleaner or more natural cleansers or cleaners is that you might not think that they're actually going to do the job, and then maybe they're not actually going to clean like you want it to clean. But from my experience, and I've been using these over a year now, I absolutely love these, and these do work. They definitely do clean the areas that you want to clean. The all-purpose spray is definitely my favorite. It's the one that I use the most, but I love that they have a variety of options, like their bathroom one, which is supposed to be great for the toilet, tile, grout, and shower. Honestly, I was a little like wondering really how much of a difference it makes because they're using the same ingredients. You're just using water and the concentrate. But as far as like the water and the soap go, based on the bottles or the cleansers that you're using, they do have a different kind of spot on the bottle where you're supposed to fill the line to with water and soap. So I think maybe, for example, some of the sprays might require more of the concentrate than others, and that helps them really do the job. But I just find that they work so well, and they're very, very gentle. I love knowing that they don't contain ingredients that are going to be potentially harmful, and I just love them. They're great, and I love that they don't have added fragrance or just any harsh ingredients, 'cause fragrance can definitely be very irritating. Now they also do have a dishwasher tablet, which I actually have not tried, but they are made with a very minimal ingredient list. It only has 7 ingredients. It's 100% biodegradable, and the tablets are also PVA free, and they also do have an oxygen boost. Now this is for the laundry. Actually, I thought this was mainly for the laundry, but it can be used for multiple things. This boosts the power of the concentrate, and it can be used for laundry, stains, and also grout. So I have mostly just used this for laundry because it can help with whitening and brightening, removing stains and odors. So I've used this a lot in laundry when I want to really brighten up like my white towels or just white sheets or just white clothing. But that is really cool that this can also be used for stains and grout. That's something to note, that it is a multi-use product, and I really enjoy this, and I definitely think that this does help to really whiten and brighten and kind of really boost the power of the concentrate. Also, something to note about the power boost is that there is no bleach, ammonia, fragrances, or dyes. This is enough for 64 loads of laundry. It's safe for septic tanks. Oh, in addition, they also have their laundry detergent, and again, this just uses water and the concentrate. So very simple, and you just don't need a lot of product, and this just lasts a long time. This whole bottle can last 64 loads. I will say I haven't used this for laundry as much as I've used a lot of the other cleaning products, but just because I kind of wondered if it really cleaned clothes as well. I almost feel like this is the one product that I feel like sometimes it doesn't clean my clothes as well as I want it to, but it still does work. But I'd say this is probably the one that I don't think works as well as I would want it to. And then also I know that all of their sprays and like the laundry detergent bottle and the foaming wash, I know that they do come in plastic bottles, but they also a little while back started offering glass bottles, which I think is really awesome. I definitely would eventually like to upgrade to the glass bottles. They just look really nice. I feel like it's just kind of help elevate them a little bit and make them just feel even better quality to have glass bottles. But I've literally had these same bottles for over a year. If you particularly just want to avoid plastic altogether, it is nice to know that they also sell glass bottles. And they have that for both of the sprays, the hand wash, and also the laundry detergent. So you can definitely get glass options instead if you prefer that. I am very impressed by Branch Basics. This is a brand that I have been using and loving for quite a while now, and I would definitely recommend them. The foaming hand wash is a favorite of mine. It's nice and gentle on the skin, and I like that it is a foaming wash. Kind of gives it a little bit more of a luxurious feel. But I just love how simple these are to use. They're so easy to use, and they just last you so long. This one bottle is gonna make all of these products last so long. So I love Branch Basics. I would definitely recommend them. Make sure to check out the description box below because I may have a discount code that you guys can use. I did reach out to the brand to see if they would be able to provide a discount code that I could offer you guys. So definitely check the description box below if you do want to try out Branch Basics and you do want a discount. If you guys do have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. If you are not currently subscribed and you would like to see even more content from me in the future, I would absolutely love it if you would go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you all for my next video. Bye guys.